Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural and Spiritual Healing. Today I have shuffled a few cards and this card is to know our current relationship. Now there are three cards. This is Green Tourmaline, this is Herkimer Diamond and this is Amethyst. You can select any one of the card to know your current relationship. So now if you want, you can pause this video and you can think about any god or goddess. Close your eyes, think about the god or goddess, pray, and then select one card so that we can go ahead with the cards reading. If you have selected Green Tourmaline, now Green Tourmaline is a card which tells me that you have a lot of power to attract new opportunities and there's an unlimited supply which you need to get. There's an unlimited potential available to you. Now especially now we are asking about a relationship. Now if you are a husband asking for a wife, or if you are a wife asking for your husband or your boyfriend or your girlfriend, this card tells me that this relationship needs a lot of healing has to be done, because recently you all have gone through a lot of turmoils in your life. You all have gone through a lot of ups and downs in your life. Now this Green Tourmaline is also related to Archangel Raphael, and since Archangel Raphael is an healing agent, it tells me that you need to call out to Archangel Raphael and ask him to heal your current relationship. You will also be able to understand the other person, heal your relationship, and only then you will be able to be happy in this relationship, because there has been a lot of negativity in this relationship. There has been a lot of ups and downs. uh, you might have gone through a lot of fights, and I can also see that there could have also come to a situation of divorce. So if you want to continue in this relationship with this other person, then there has to be a lot of healing, because this Green Tourmaline is a card which is for healing. And when you get this card, you can ask upon Archangel Raphael to heal this relationship, forgive the other person, and move ahead in this relationship. If you have selected Diamond, now this card reading tells me that you have to be crystal clear in your relationship. You have to be true to the other person, because this card is also related to Archangel Gabriel, and Archangel Gabriel is an angel for communication. So if you want your relationship to survive and go to a next level and be happy, if you want to be very happy in this relationship, you need to communicate with your partner, because the only thing that is not there between a husband and wife, or if you are a boyfriend and a girlfriend, that is communication. So you all have to be true, you all have to be vocal about your feelings for each other, you all have to be vocal about what you all need from this relationship. It's only when you speak to each other will this relationship be very beneficial for you all. If you don't tell your expectations from your relationship to each other, if you especially don't tell what you expect from this relationship, then this relationship is not good for you. You have to be vocal about your needs, you have to be vocal about your feelings, you have to be vocal about what you really want from this relationship. So if you are stuck in a situation, and if you are a husband who's stuck to tell your wife something, or a wife who wants to speak to her husband cannot speak, you can always ask Archangel Gabriel to come and assist you and speak up, because if you don't speak up now, this relationship is not good for you. You have to speak up, you have to be vocal, and only then you can be happy in this relationship. If you have selected the card number 3, Amethyst, then this card tells you that you have to forgive the other person if you want this relationship to really go and to the next level. Now, If you have committed something wrong, or if your partner has committed something wrong, then this is the time when you have to forgive that person, or you have to ask for forgiveness. So if you, it is only when you ask for forgiveness, or if you forgive the other person for any mistakes that the person has done in this relationship. It could be anything for that matter. It could be money wise, or emotionally, anything that has made you very angry, or it has made you very sad. Then you have to forgive that person. It's only when you forgive that person will you be able to go to the next level. You'll be happy with that person, because it's only when you forgive and uh, forget about everything that you will be able to live happily with this person. Now, this card is also related to Archangel Zadkiel, and Archangel Zadkiel is the archangel which is you have to ask forgiveness. So if you are not able to forgive that person, ask Archangel Zadkiel to help you to attain freedom, because if you don't forgive the other person, you will not get freedom. You yourself will not get freedom from this burden. So you have to ask Archangel Zadkiel to assist you to forgive the other person, and then you will be able to be happy in this relationship. If you like this cards reading, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.